Known as Kiev's Montmartre, St. Andrew's Descent is home to quite a number of art galleries. To get a glimpse of Ukrainian pen art, you may want to pop into Kyiv'S gallery with its one-of-a-kind collection of works made with a ballpoint pen on A4-sized sheets. The A4 ballpoint pen project has been running for 14 years now and has amassed 6,000 drawings by both professional artists and amateurs. With every passing year, the project continues to expand by attracting more and more participants from diverse professional backgrounds. If you want to get a feel for Kiev's Montmartre, visit my website, drop me a line or call me on WhatsApp. See you, bye!